and welcome to the most wonderful time of the year. Time for the Drunk Elephant Trunk 5.0. Drunk Elephant kindly gifted me their trunk and I'm so excited about it. This is all 7 pounds of her glory. She's beautiful. We love her. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The price. So this retails at $450, but it has a value of $676. And you're basically getting the suitcase for free, so it's a great deal. If you are thinking of picking up the Trunk 5.0, check out the Sephora sale and grab the Trunk 5.0 while it's on sale so that you can get a little sweet discount, you know? Who doesn't love a good deal? The suitcase is really nice. Monos is a luxurious suitcase brand. They're known for their high quality and just really chic aesthetic, which I'm all about. The suitcase comes with this really nice dust bag, and you'll see it says Drunk Elephant and Monos on the front. This is really great because you can store your suitcase in here so it doesn't get dusty or scratched when not in use. Of course, when it is in use, it's just inevitable, but this is a really nice touch and I love it. Definitely adds to the whole luxurious feel of the suitcase. The suitcase is also built really nicely. They put a lot of attention to detail to it, and all the little things like the locks and the zips are such nice touches. In addition to the laundry pouch and the whole compression part, every little thing in here has been so thought out and it's beautiful. Even the handles are really nice. Like all these handles that you see on here on the side, they all say Drunk Elephant and Monos on them. And then this, the most important part in my opinion, this handle, look how smooth that is. And that's a huge deal to me. And they also lock at different intervals, so like if you want it a little bit shorter, and if you want it taller. Love that. We've all been there and we've had handles that just were not it, you know? This is it. I also am a huge fan of these locks right here on the front. You just snap them in like that and you're good to go. And of course we gotta do this second one as well. And you also have the ability to add a key code right here, so really cool. At the bottom, you have these 360 rotating wheels, and they're very sturdy as well. Just everything about this was built really nicely. Now, as far as the suitcase itself goes, as you can see, it's bright, it's in your face. So we've got this pink, this very hot pink, with this floral pattern all over it, including the back. And then the zip is this very neon green, so you're never gonna lose this. Like, there's no chance. No. Y'all know I like to keep it real with you, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. I don't love the design. Like, I'm not a fan of the flowers, and the hot pink definitely took me by surprise. I'm somebody who really loves chic, minimal colorways. I'm not a huge fan of patterns. I really wish, if anything, if this was just hot pink without flowers, that would have been so much better, in my opinion. The flowers kind of throw me off and make it feel like, you know, if I had a daughter, this would be great for her. I don't. Or like, if I had a little cousin, like, for sure I would give this to her, you know? But like, for me, not really my vibe. Will I still use it though? Absolutely, yes. The suitcase is fantastic. At the end of the day, this is a really solid carry-on. Now let's get into what's inside the Drunk Elephant products. So once you open up the trunk or the suitcase, you get all these Drunk Elephant products in this really secure bubble wrap right here. So you get 10 full-size products and some samples. Okay, so I'm gonna do a really quick speed round because y'all have heard me talk about these products a ton. There are so many Drunk Elephant videos on my channel, so if you want full in-depth reviews about things, definitely go watch those if you are new to my channel. So let's do a little quick speed round. First off, we've got the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This is a beautiful whipped thicker moisturizer. Love this for nighttime and for winter. Now on the flip side, we have the Protini Polypeptide Cream. This one is your more gel-like, lightweight moisturizer. I love this one for daytime and also for the warmer months like spring and summer. Now, you can use these whenever you want. It doesn't have to be just day or night, and it doesn't have to be limited to just winter or spring or summer. That's just how I tend to like to use them. I've definitely used these both individually, just at morning and nighttime, and this one just at morning and nighttime, so Totally up to you. The great thing about this is that you can play around with it and see what works best for you and your skin. Next, we've got the Best No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. Love this, super gentle cleanser. It's really great for washing your face, and I love using this when I don't really have makeup on. So if I just have sunscreen on, this is a really great cleanser that I like to use to just cleanse my face, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped. So love that. Next, we've got the B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and this one's really great to add in with your oils, moisturizers, and serums to up their hydration. Love this one so much, especially as we are approaching the colder months. Definitely going to be reaching for this one a lot. Next, we've got A-Passioni Retinol Cream, which, if you know, you know. We don't really get along here, but I am really pleasantly surprised to see this in upgraded packaging, because the original packaging with the aluminum that you squeeze out was not working for it. It leaked a lot, did not like it, so I'm really happy to see that they put this in packaging that's like the rest of their products, so it's not going to leak on you. It's going to be great for travel, so if you do love A-Passioni, this is great. I don't know when they updated this, by the way. Like, have I been living under a rock? I'm so happy to see this like this. Moving right along, we've got the T.L.C Sukhari Baby Facial, which is a really, really powerful, let me repeat, powerful resurfacing facial. And if you're new to this, I only recommend leaving it on for 10 minutes or less. If you're more advanced, go for the full 20, but just know, since this has 25% AHA and 2% BHA, it's intense. But it's gentle, you know what I mean? So if you have built up your skin and its tolerance to acids, go for it. Like, go for the full 20. It's gonna really leave you with this glowing, baby smooth skin. You'll look rejuvenated and refreshed. I really love this one a lot. Like, it's a gem. And this will last you quite a while. Like, I think I've gone a whole year without even finishing one, so it'll last. Next, we've got the Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. This one's really great because it has vitamin C in it and has an 8-peptide blend, which is great for firming and, you know, brightening the under eyes. Next, we've got the Protini Powerpeptide Resurf Serum. So this one has 10% lactic acid with 11 signal peptides. And I know you might be thinking Shireen, but what's the difference between this one and T.L.C Framboos? So this one has glycolic acid and this one has lactic acid. Lactic tends to be more gentle, and some people, their skin doesn't respond well to glycolic, so up to you and your skin which one you prefer. They're both powerhouses, they're both really great. You'll know this one changed my skin, transformed it. I love T.L.C Framboos a lot. Now, I have also tried this out this past year, and I love this one a lot as well. It's definitely gentle, but powerful. If you haven't had a chance to try these out yet, this is a really great place to try them out and see which one you do like more. I will say the cool thing about this one is that I use it in the morning as well, so sometimes I'll just use this in the morning and then skip nighttime, and that works for me. But of course, always remember, wear sunscreen. No matter what, wear your sunscreen. Last but not least, we've got the new and improved C-Firma Fresh Face Serum. Now, this does also come in bubble wrap as well, which I'm thankful for, so that way it won't explode all over the place, because if you haven't heard, the new C-Firma now comes in a bottle where the powder comes separately, and then the little liquid that you mix into the powder comes separately, and then you just shake it and mix it all together to give you a fresh batch of vitamin C. This is really cool. I'm glad they did it this way, because previously they did have issues with the vitamin C tending to go bad when you first got it in store, which was, you know, not the best. So this is a really cool thing that they did, and I love that they included the newer version for the trunk. Now let me open it for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so here you've got your vitamin C powder, and then within here, there's this little capsule. This is your vitamin C right here. This is your liquid serum base. That's what it's called. You open this up right here. You pour in the liquid. You mix it all together, put it in here, and boom, fresh vitamin C. Who doesn't love that? I'm really happy that they included this newer version for the Trunk 5.0. Moving on to samples, we've got their Erase Milky Micellar Water. I actually have not had a chance to try this out yet, so I'm really excited about that, and look how cute this packaging is. It's like a little baby size. This is 15 milliliters, It's so cute. Next, we've got Slay. This is their Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. Love this one a lot. If you haven't seen my video about this, check it out. It's so nice. It removes all your makeup. It's just great. So this one is, where is it? 13 grams, in case you're wondering. And then last but not least for the samples, we've got all these little sample packets. So this one is D-Bronzy. This is a really great bronzer. I love using this on top of sunscreen, on top of makeup, just in general. I also will sometimes blend this in with my moisturizer. So I'll just mix it on the back of my hand, put it on my skin for a really nice bronzy glow. And a little goes a long way, especially if you're as fair as me. Trust me, you don't want to go overboard with this. Next one is Oh Blues. These are their Rosy Drops. So this is like their blush, but it's like skincare meets makeup. This is really pretty, and this might look really intense to you. I know it did to me, but once you put it on the skin, it shears out for a really beautiful, natural looking sort of glowy blush. Love this one a lot. The next one is their Shadow Complex Eye Serum, and this one's really great for smoothing and hydrating the under eyes. And the last one is Virgin Rolla Luxury Facial Oil. So this one also comes in a little packet like this. I will say, I personally think it's a little bit of an odd choice to put an oil in here because I think that would make a mess. Like, I feel like as soon as I would go to open this, I would just have oil everywhere and it wouldn't really last me multiple uses. But I mean, it's cool that you get to try it out. Let me know in the comments if you are the type of person to use sample packs like this, because personally, I never really use these. I just end up hoarding them in a shelf and don't use them. So I see the appeal, I see why you would want to do it, but like, I don't know, I'd rather just go buy a mini size. I never end up using these packets. Now, I know we've been through a lot here and there's a lot of amazing products for a great value. If you are somebody who loves Drunk Elephant, you already use these products, well duh, I totally recommend this to you. You're gonna use it, you're gonna love it, and the suitcase is a nice free gift. Now, if you are new to Drunk Elephant, maybe you want to try them out, and you're not really fully committed yet, definitely look into their other holiday kits. They have smaller kits, and you're able to sample them before you fully commit to 10 full-size products, you know what I mean? This would also make a really great gift for yourself, or for somebody who you know that loves Drunk Elephant. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be picking up the Trunk 5.0, either for yourself or as a gift for somebody else. Let me know. Thanks again to Drunk Elephant for sending the Trunk 5.0. Wishing you all a happy holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye!